Are you in the market for a basic tablet? Then I might just have the thing for you. Meet the TECNO MegaPad. This tablet is for anyone who wants a big screen without spending the big bucks. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through its features, show you what it's good at and what this tablet is not meant for. If that sounds good to you, well, keep watching. Starting with what it comes with in the box. First off, shout out to TECNO for including a case, and the quality is not bad. Opening up the box, we've got the MegaPad. It's a 10.1-inch display. It has 256GB of internal storage and a SIM card slot. It also comes with the usual stuff, a user manual that nobody reads, a USB Type-C to Type-C cable, and a 20-watt charger, even though this tablet only supports 18 watts fast charging. By the way, I tested the charging and it took it 2 hours 23 minutes to go from 0 to 100%. Now this tablet comes in two colors, space gray and champagne gold. Moving to the build quality, it's pretty lightweight at 447 grams. It's slim, easy to hold and use for long durations. The back is made from plastic and the frame from aluminium. I did a bend test. I wasn't able to break it, but I could hear air escaping from the 3.5mm audio jack. Also, this tablet doesn't have an IP rating, so please keep it away from fluids. Looking at the external features, it has dual stereo speakers. The sound is okay, not mind-blowing, but it will do for gaming and watching movies. As I mentioned earlier, it has a SIM card and memory card slot. It's a 4G tablet, so you can pop in a SIM and make calls with it. And you can expand the storage to up to 512GB with a memory card. The 10.1-inch display has a resolution of 800 by 1280 pixels. I don't know if the camera can pick this up, but you can see the pixelation on the screen. It isn't a sharp display. Also, the screen refreshes at 60 Hz. For brightness, it peaks at 450 nits, making it suitable for indoor use, but if you take it outside, you're going to struggle to see the screen. Powering the TECNO MegaPad is the MediaTek MT8786V, which is essentially the MediaTek Helio G80 chipset. The Antutu score of this tablet won't impress you. It has the performance of an entry-level smartphone. With 4GB of RAM, multitasking is possible. With the split screen feature, you can have two apps side by side, but don't push it. As a gaming device, this tablet can run some of your favorite games like Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG. Unfortunately, it can't play Call of Duty Warzone as it only has 4GB of RAM. That game requires 8GB of RAM. For Call of Duty Mobile, it ran the game at medium graphics and high frame rate. The gameplay was good, it didn't lag or get hot. The only drawback is the graphics. On this big screen, the graphics is lacking. PUBG ran at HD graphics and high frame rate. The gameplay was smooth, no lag, no overheating, and just like CODM, the graphics of the game on this big screen didn't impress me. For games that are not too graphic intensive like Real Racing 3, the tablet handled it well. This tablet is running the latest Android OS, that's Android 14, and I don't think it's going to get future software updates. Another plus with this tablet is you don't get any bloatware and there are no ads. Alright, so here's a video from the front-facing camera of the TECNO MegaPad. What do you guys think about the quality? Let me know in the comment section below. And now I've switched to the rear camera. What do you guys think about the quality? Let me know in the comment section below. The battery inside it is a 7000 mAh battery cell and it lasted 3 days from my usage. Charging is also fast and here's the charging breakdown. You can pause to take a look. Now for the price, at the time of making this video, TECNO hasn't released the official price yet. When they do, I'm going to add it in the description of this video. But based on the specs, this has got to be one of the most affordable tablets out there in the market. It's also a good tablet for anyone who wants a device with a big screen and doesn't want to spend too much money. So that's my take on the TECNO MegaPad. Thank you for watching and I'm going to see you guys very soon. Valor Reviews, signing out.